So you got those Costco switches, those smart switches, and you had a power failure, and now they won't connect back to the Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is reconnect it, but you have to actually reset the device. And the only way you can actually reset it is there's a thing called the air gap switch here, and you pull it out of the switch, and then you can begin the reset process, because sometimes you just can't reconnect it to the Wi-Fi for some reason. And there's no instructions or no help tips on Feit's website on how to actually do this. So I had to figure it out. So I'm helping you, because everyone goes to Costco, and there's probably thousands of people that purchase these lights, and there's nothing published on how to fix it. So I'll show you what the problem is after I take off this gold plate. Okay, so you're trying to reset your switch, and it's telling you in the direction to hold it for 10 seconds. So you hold it down for 10 seconds. And this is for setting up the switch in the AP mode within the app. So once it starts blinking like that, then you have to hold it again for another 10 seconds so it blinks slowly. So hold it for another 10 seconds. And that's all it does. And nothing happens. So the directions on their website just are not helpful at all. Try to contact customer support, but I figured it out. There's this air gap switch. I don't know what that means, but what you have to do is you have to pull this part out after you remove the wall plate. And sometimes you don't need to remove the wall plate. Depends just if you have enough gap. If you look here, there's like a little lip where you can pull out that switch. And once it's pulled out, then it turns off. You see? And then you want to push it back in. And now it starts to blink quickly. And then stop. So now we can go ahead and reset it so we can connect it back to our router, our Wi-Fi router. So I'm gonna hold it for 10 seconds again. And it blinks quickly. And then press it again for 10 seconds. And now it's blinking slowly. So at this point, we can go ahead and connect it within the app.